Meantime, the criminal trial of FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried is kicking off in Lower Manhattan today. He's facing 7 criminal counts of conspiracy and fraud over the collapse of FTX. And if convicted, he could be sentenced to more than 100 years in prison. Kate Rooney is outside the courthouse with the latest. Kate?
Hey there, Kelly. So jury selection is underway at this point. Sam Bankman-Fried watched all of this from the defense table. We have a new court sketch, if you can see it. He's got a new haircut as well. He's sitting there in a gray suit. The jury and potential jurors are breaking for lunch at this point. They've already dismissed a bunch of jurors at this point. There were some conflicts of interest. One of the jurors works at an investment firm that invested in FTX, a venture firm called Insight. There's been a lot of talk about media coverage. One juror said that he had listened to a Joe Rogan podcast about it. So Judge Kaplan, though, underlining the fact that these jurors, if selected, they're going to have to essentially live in a bubble for 6 weeks. They can't be Googling this. They cannot talk to anybody about this. And they can't even Google the judge. He said you're really going to have to live in a bubble. The list of juror questions that we're getting, it includes, do you have a negative opinion about cryptocurrencies? If a crypto company were to fail, do you feel that only the owners are to blame? And do you have any negative opinions about amassing wealth to give away to charity? It also mentions Sam Bankman-Fried, having ADHD. They plan to say, raise your hand if you've never had any personal or professional experience with ADHD, and it could also affect some of Sam Bankman-Fried's body language in the courtroom. Sam Bankman-Fried has pled not guilty to 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy over the collapse of what was once a $32 billion crypto exchange he founded, FTX. He has been in custody since August, and he's argued that he didn't know about some of the financial issues going on at FTX. Prosecutors need to prove intent on the side of Bankman-Fried. That is key there. 4 of his top lieutenants, though, an inside circle, have pleaded guilty, which legal experts say makes this case especially challenging for the defense team. At least 3 of those executives do plan to testify. Kelly.
Kate, for now, thank you very much. Kate Rooney.